market tends to behave differently during different times. Sometimes it's more volatile, sometimes it's really calm, sometimes you all of a sudden see sharp movements. We need to know how the software works during all these times.
Yeah.
This is her work.
Yeah.
I build the software and she tests it over all these different times. And then if we see a particular time where it's a problem or something, we try to add something to the software so it can handle that type of market. We're trying to test the software on as wider range of markets as possible. We don't know what will be the market tomorrow. We cannot predict that. We still are not psychics. Although sometimes I think I am, but that's something off the record.
Can you tell me my future?
So we know that the market, the price data of the market is what happened on the market, but we need to deal with what is it now, and we're trying to prepare the software to deal with as many options, as many future market changes as possible, relying on already past market data.
All right, let's kind of take a step back here for a minute. For those of us who don't know, kind of like me, explain XGrid software a little bit to me.
Yes. First of all, this is the biggest market in the world. It's bigger than all the other markets combined. It averages about $3 to $4 trillion a day, every single day. That's a huge amount of money.
That's more than I have in my bank account.
Okay.
Just by a little.
But you're
Just
close.
a little,
yeah.
You're
I'm
close to
getting
that, yeah. And that's every single day. And we want a part of it. You want just a small piece of it, you know? And we're making that software so people doesn't have to realize each and every aspect of the market. This software actually trades for them.
All right, so let me stop you for 1 minute. What you're telling me is that XGrid software actually trades for you.
Absolutely. It will place your trades on the market. It will buy, sell, close positions, everything.
Wow. All right, so for those of us that aren't really professionals in the foreign exchange currency trading market, tell me a little bit about how this was developed for average people to be able to get in on that tidal wave of money.
That's the main reason that this software was built for. I mean, to help people, and that's why we stand behind it and put everything we know in it, so that you don't have to deal with that.
That's why we lose our sleep, so you can sleep
so
well.
So I
you
can
can
sleep well.
and make money.
I like that. I appreciate that. All right, so I mean, there would have to be at least a small investment, and for some people, I mean, that might be pretty substantial. I guess the first question that I would have as far as that was concerned is it profitable?
Yes, this is the whole idea of the software.
The easiest
First I
answer.
will answer yes, and then I will explain. We're trading on the biggest market, and we not just aim to be profitable, we actually aim to get the most profits, the biggest profits compared to the other markets. And we have a second goal here. Our software is unique, it uses a unique technology. It doesn't just go with the trend or against the trend or range trading or things like that. It attempts to follow the natural market movements and bring profits from the natural movements of the markets, which is actually why we're getting that huge amounts of profits. So yes, it is. It is very profitable.
All right, and is there any advice that you could give to people that are just getting started in this market using the software?
The most important thing you always have to keep in mind is that trading on the markets is a risky business. You don't want to put money you cannot afford to lose on the market, especially from the very first
Not
time.
that you have to lose them,
Not that you have to lose them,
but
but
you might.
it's
That's
a
an
risky
option.
thing. You aim at high profits, and that means high risk as well. High rewards come with high risk. Our goal is to minimize the risk as much as possible. That doesn't mean we can take off the risk.
Yeah.
It's not a money printing machine. It's a trading software. I think that's the most important.
To anybody that might be watching this, they should buy the software, right?
Yep, buy it. You'll get
buy it.
piece of that big amount of money that
That
trades
$1 trillion pie.
every day.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you guys very much for sitting down with me. It's not every day that you get a chance to sit down with the people that are actually developing and testing the software. I mean, that has to give people a great inside look into what the software can be used for and how profitable it can be. Thank you guys very much for sitting down with me, and I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Man.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.